Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe guys. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at this website together called BestEgg. So what is the work of BestEgg? BestEgg lets you manage your finances guys. So you can manage your financial life with just one step using BestEgg. So now let us explore the website together. So as you can see here, it says be money confident. Choose the next step of your financial journey. Your goals are important. We want to help you reach them. So like I said guys, they let you manage your finances guys, so you will know exactly how much you are earning and how much you are spending guys. So that's the work of BestEgg. So as you can see here, it says personal loan, fast and easy funding, and you can see vehicle equity loan, tap into your car values, and here says homeowner discount up to 20% lower rate. So you can literally do all these things guys. So mortgage payment, vehicle payment, everything can be done on BestEgg. So as you can see here, you just like input your email, your offer code guys, and then you see click on view offer, then you see a lot of offers guys available. So that's it. As you can see here, personal loans, hassle free fund up to $50,000. Say here, direct pay off debt faster and access better rates. And one thing is that if you use BestEgg and you are consistent with it guys, you are also improving your credit score. So that's one of the best benefits I like about BestEgg guys. You can literally improve your credit score guys using BestEgg. So as you can see here, yes, it's top rated personal loans, get the fund you need and the flexibility you deserve. So